please subscribe my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon button, and in last click on all button. First open the Play Store application. Click on the Play Store application icon. Now click on the upper right side 3-dot button. Now click on settings. Now click on chats. Scroll down. Click on chat backup. Scroll down. Click include videos. Scroll up. Now click on the backup button. You can see backing up messages. Now you can see my backup is 344 MB. After complete this chat backup, the next step is phone step verification. Now you can see two-step verification. Make sure your SIM is inserted in new phone. After complete this step, the next step is restore backup. Click on the restore backup button, and in new phone all the data is transferred in new phone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for my latest videos. Thank you.